In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and sell Notion templates. If you want to turn your Notion skills into something useful and potentially profitable, this process is a great place to start. Selling Notion templates is not just about making pages look nice. It's about building a system that helps people solve a real problem faster and more clearly. The first thing you need to do is learn how Notion templates and systems actually work. Spend some time understanding the basics of page structure, linked databases, views, simple workflows, and how users move through a workspace. A good template should feel intuitive, not confusing. The better you understand how people use Notion in real life, the better your template will be. Next, choose a niche. This is important because the more specific your audience is, the easier it is to create something valuable. You might focus on students, business owners, personal finance, productivity, or content creators. Try to pick a group whose problems you understand well. When you know the audience, you can design a template that feels made for them instead of something generic. Once you've chosen your niche, plan a template idea that solves one clear problem. Keep this part simple and practical. For example, your template might help someone organize assignments, manage client work, track expenses, plan content, or build better daily routines. The key is clarity. If people can immediately understand what problem your template solves, it becomes much easier to market. After that, build the template inside Notion. Focus on creating clean pages, useful databases, and clear instructions so the user knows exactly how to get started. Avoid overcomplicating it. A well-designed template should be easy to navigate and easy to customize. Clean structure always beats unnecessary features. Then test the template carefully. Open every page, click through every section, and make sure the system works as expected. This is also the time to remove any private information or leftover sample content. Your final product should feel polished, professional, and safe for someone else to duplicate and use immediately. Once the template is ready, create a product listing on a platform like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Your listing should explain what the template does, who it's for, and what results people can expect from using it. Good visuals and clear descriptions can make a big difference here. Finally, promote your template. Share it through social media, tutorials, and relevant communities where your target audience already spends time. Consistent promotion helps people discover your work, and over time, that visibility can lead to more sales. That's the full process. Keep it useful, keep it clear, and build templates that genuinely help people.